Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how many pollinators are swarming at my mints. I have different cultivars of mint like peppermint and spearmint, and these plants flower relentlessly. So you can see these big black wasps with yellow stripes, and they are actually parasitoid wasps. I try to zoom in them. So they are actually laying their eggs on the larvae of different beetles like rhinoceros beetle and cockchafers and other harmful pests. And the young larvae eats, the wasp larvae eats the larvae of the chafer. So these mints are flowering for, I think, since the beginning of June or mid-June, and it's like September now, so they are very good plants for pollinators. There are some syrphid flies which are also very useful because their larvae eat aphids, and there are caterpillars and honeybees and other wasps, so they're very useful. Unfortunately, there is just two issues for me with the mints, because they do need a lot of water, so they need a lot of moisture, and they also spread by stolons, so they can conquer your garden if the if the garden is moist, and so this can be an issue, but otherwise they're very good plants. And you can also use them for teas, herbal teas, the leaves, because the essential oil is the highest in the leaves when the flowers just begin to flower. So you can dry them, or you can give them away to a friend. Amazing. You probably have to check this video on a TV or a monitor, because these flies are small and you might not see them on your phone, but they are very interesting and nice to have all these animals collecting nectar and pollen from these plants. So that would be all today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.